new apprentice you have, Emperor? Or should I call you Darth Sidious?
Master Yoda, you survived.
Surprised?
Your arrogance blinds you, Master Yoda. Now you will experience the full power of the dark side. I have waited a long time for this moment, my little green friend. At last the Jedi are no more.
Not if anything to say about it I have. At an end your rule is. And not short enough it was. If so powerful you are, why leave?
You will not stop me. Darth Vader will become more powerful than either of us.
Faith in your new apprentice, misplaced maybe. As is your faith in the dark side of the Force.
Do it, 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 do it.